Coconut milk is a white substance that is extracted from the flesh of mature brown coconuts. It has been used for years as an ingredient in desserts, soups, and sauces. It is a popular component of Indian, Thai, Hawaiian, and South American cuisines. The process of extraction involves grating the fleshy part of the fruit and soaking it in hot water. The cream that forms on the surface of the liquid is collected to be used as coconut cream, while the remaining liquid is then sieved and separated from the pulp to obtain the coconut milk. Nowadays, you can simply buy this product off the shelf in any department store. In today's video, we will show you the 13 amazing coconut milk benefits. Please watch the video until the end and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Prevents heart disease. Number 1, prevents heart disease. Coconut milk is known to increase the levels of HDL cholesterol in the body. Scientific research now shows that coconut milk may help to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol in the body, if consumed in low quantities. HDL cholesterol has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the endothelium or blood vessel lining. LDL cholesterol, on the other hand, promotes the formation of plaques in blood vessels, causing pathological narrowing. When blood vessels supplying the heart muscles are narrowed, heart attacks can result. 2. Helps weight loss. Helps weight loss. Coconuts contain 12% medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, and caprylic acid that is less likely to be stored as fat. They also promote the production of ketones and induce satiety, which prevents overeating. This quality may be beneficial in long-term weight loss. In a study in 2003, 24 overweight individuals were given diets rich in MCT and long-chain fatty acids, LCT, for 4 weeks. Their body composition was tested at the end of the time frame. It was noticed that consuming MCTs resulted in decreased levels of adipose tissue as compared to LCTs. The study further stated that MCTs could be considered as agents that help in the prevention of obesity. No studies have directly examined how coconut milk affects weight and metabolism. Further studies are needed before any claims can be made. Helps control diabetes. Number 3, helps control diabetes. The virgin coconut oil that is prepared from coconut milk has been shown to affect blood glucose levels positively. It contains antioxidant properties that improve insulin secretion in the body. Another paper researched in Thailand talked about the benefits of coconut oil for diabetes. It suggested that virgin coconut oil increases the efficiency of cellular response to insulin, reduces blood sugar levels, stimulates metabolism, and decreases the glycemic index of food, thereby helping control diabetes. Helps deal with Alzheimer's disease. Number 4, helps deal with Alzheimer's disease. Coconut milk contains a modest amount of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These MCTs are easily absorbed by the liver and get converted to ketones. Ketones have been identified as an alternative source of energy for the brain and can be beneficial for people with Alzheimer's disease or those who are at the risk. Dosure 5 has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Several studies have been conducted on coconut in its various forms to test their abilities on inflammation and microbes. Virgin coconut oil, the pure form of oil extracted from coconut milk, is rich in MCTs and lauric acid. Due to this, virgin coconut oil has excellent anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Another study performed in Chiang Mai, Thailand, investigated the pharmacological effects of virgin coconut oil. The results suggested that the oil possessed anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antipyretic properties. May prevent ulcers. Nashinachar 6 may prevent ulcers. If you are suffering from stomach ulcers, drinking coconut milk can help in significantly reducing and preventing ulcers altogether. Coconut milk contains anti-ulcer and antibacterial properties that fight the bacteria causing the ulcers. Drinking a glass of coconut milk at least once a week can give positive results in no time. A study was carried out in Chennai, India, to test the efficacy of a polyherbal cream containing coconut milk as one of its main ingredients in diabetic patients with foot ulcers. The study suggested that due to the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of coconut milk and some other ingredients, this cream was highly effective in healing the ulcers. Protects prostate glands. Number 7, protects prostate glands. Coconut milk is a great source of a lot of vitamins and minerals. Among those nutrients is zinc, an element that helps to maintain the health of the prostate gland and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. The prostate gland already contains a high amount of zinc in its soft tissues, but drinking coconut milk regularly makes sure that the zinc levels in the body are replenished. Moisturizes the skin. Number 8. Moisturizes the skin. People have been indulging in milk baths for centuries. Whether it is for infants or brides, it is a commonly known fact that milk moisturizes our skin and makes it soft and supple. Maybe it is time to switch to coconut milk now. Applying coconut milk to your skin does more than just moisturizing it. Coconut milk combats dryness, itchiness, swelling, and redness, soothes the skin, and promotes healthy, glowing skin. 9. Treats sunburns. Add 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of rose water, and 1 cup of rose petals to warm water and bathe with it. Do this often, and you will be amazed by the results. Applying coconut milk on sunburns can effectively heal the skin in no time due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The fats in this milk reduce pain, redness, and swelling on the skin. You can apply a thin layer of coconut milk on the affected area at night before you go to bed and rinse it in the morning for the best results. Is a good makeup remover. Number 10. Why use expensive makeup removers on your skin when you can use something so healthy and natural? Mix 2 measures of olive oil and 1 measure of coconut milk and gently rub on your skin with a cotton ball. This will not only remove your makeup but also deeply nourish your skin. Promotes hair growth. Number 11. Coconut milk contains a wide range of essential nutrients that nourish the hair follicles and boost hair growth. All you need to do is massage coconut milk into your hair and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before shampooing as usual. 12. Immune strength. Coconut milk contains lauric acid that is known for its antiseptic properties. It assists the body in fighting infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. A study done in the Philippines showed that children with pneumonia responded faster to treatment with antibiotics and coconut milk compared to those who were treated with antibiotics alone. Prevention of anemia. Number 13. Prevention of anemia. Coconut milk has significant quantities of iron. Iron is an important mineral in the formation of healthy red blood cells with normal hemoglobin levels. Incorporating coconut milk into your diet will help you avoid anemia that often results from the inadequate iron intake. If you like my content, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.